Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have me, a China series Tomica Tentmushi. So, for you guys who don't know, the Tentmushi is actually a Suzuki carry with an extra, camping van part at the back. So apparently, yes, there is a long Tomica version of this in green, which just, has another carriage behind this one. So anyway, over here, since this is a China series, or China. Oh well, Tomica made this one specifically for China, so you can see Chinese logo for Tomica over here, Tomica in English, and number 90. So over here, Tentmushi 1 to 55 scale. So here we got Takara Tomy on the top. Oh, on the top we have a warning label. Let me see. Oh, this is actually printed on. So usually it's a sticker, when it comes to the Chinese warning labels, but this is actually printed on. So yes, this one also is printed on. A little yellow strip over here saying stuff in Chinese I can't even read, and Van Shop Mikami. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, probably some license or something. I can't read anything else. Made in 2012, if you can see that right there. And for some reason, there's no other big square with ST and stuff. Let me try to find. Here we go. For example, this one. There's no other square that says ST and the start production year. So anyway, here's our barcode. And the bottom. Oh, some more printed warning labels. So looks pretty much the same to me. So So anyway, for the Suzuki carry, we can see 5-sided chrome wheels, all 4 of them. And for the front, yes, we do notice our Suzuki carry. So, the original Suzuki carry came out in the normal series as just, a normal lorry kind of truck. So, I guess they just removed the lorry part and just added this thing in. So one cool feature about the roof is, I think, yeah, look, it pops open. So, I don't know what this is for. Just add some playability into it. Kind of works like a switch if you really yeah. So anyway, for the side, we have round window on the doors, and roundish kind of square for back window, and Tentmushi over here. So yeah, that's kind of cool. They actually included the name on the back part of the trailer. So another window here, and no door on this side. So the back also has a window, no door for the back. Oh, rear light tempos, and Tentmushi on the top. For the front, we see our grill, bumper, front light tempos, really nice, and another Tentmushi at the top. So at the top, yeah, just pretty plain apart from the opening feature, which features some gray underneath the white. So going on to the base, yes, it is a Suzuki carry, number 90, 1 to 55, 2003. This one's made in China. Well, I mean, it's for China, so if it was made in Vietnam, it would kind of be a bit weird because, be made in Vietnam, then they bring it over to China and then sell it in China. Whereas, they just make this one in China and sell it in China. Makes more sense, I guess. Anyway, for this one, we can see an orange trim around the bottom, getting cut off a bit by the wheel. At the back over here, and also not included on the door. So, the door, I think kind of is a bit left out on the orange, because, the entire bottom of the trailer is orange, and I think they should put orange over here. So as for the top, completely orange all the way around, and including the 2 side support beams. So both of them are orange as well. So I think maybe these should be orange because, there's a little dip in there and a little dip in there. I mean, this one looks less noticeable than this one, which, actually, to be quite honest, this side over here, this orange, is darker than the other side. So that's kind of interesting. I mean, this orange is darker than this orange, so that's kind of weird. Is it because of QC or something? I have no idea. So, I guess that's pretty much it for this review of the Tentmushi or the Suzuki Carry. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.